Standing by.
Standing by.
Test 1, 2.
It's just a different shutdown, so.
Okay. Sweet.
Alright.
You know, in Iran, it's illegal to make films about the government.
No. No, I didn't actually.
No? Oh, I thought you were supposed to be this upstanding student journalist.
Not a journalist. I'm a documentarian.
And they're different?
Yeah.
There you go. You learn something new every day.
Girlfriend?
Excuse me?
Do you have one? A girlfriend? You don't have to answer that if you don't want to.
No.
No, we don't have to do the difficult questions.
Not a difficult question. No, it's I don't have a girlfriend.
Because of the club.
Well, it's
Or it's a choice.
choice.
Yeah, you know, like a preference.
Oh. Nice try. I'm not falling for...
No, I'm not trying to trick you. This is just it's a casual interview.
The club is my girlfriend. How about that?
And that's emotionally fulfilling.
Oh, emotionally fulfilling to the fucking brim.